Alright, another question from Ara. Can you suggest po kung anong pathway ang best for me? I'm graduating next month. Non-education course. Eventually, gusto kong mag-teach in early childhood and special education. Kindly lead me to the right path. First and foremost, congratulations in advance. Ang ganda ng goal mo. So, since you're graduating from a non-education course, here's what PRC requires para makapag-take ka ng LET. First is your bachelor's degree. Meron ka nang yan, graduating ka na next month. Second one, at least 18 units of professional education subjects, and UPOU offers PTC program, the one I discussed in the original video. Although hindi lang naman UPOU ang nag-offer ng professional teaching certifications. And then, third one, specialization units. Dahil gusto mong magturo ng preschool or SPED, kailangan ng subjects in early childhood or SPED. So, what I would suggest is option 1, kuha ka ng diploma in early childhood education. Example, if fully online ang preference mo, you can check out West Visayas State University. They offer distance education and included sa programs nila ang early childhood. Now, take note, if ever you take the diploma in early childhood education, cover na nito yung second and third requirement na minention ko kanina. Professional education units and specialization units, which is yung early childhood education. After nito, pwede ka nang mag-let for early childhood education. Option 2 naman, kung mas gusto mo sa SPED, kuha ka ng diploma in SPED from CHED-recognized schools like Philippine Normal University. They offer special education program, although not fully online. For online programs, you can try checking De La Salle, Miriam College, and Asian College of Teachers. So, same thing, it already includes professional education units plus specialization units. So you don't have to take the PTC program offered by UPOU if this is your path. So remember, PTC alone pwedeng mag-let, pero usually for high school and depende sa bachelor's degree mo kung ano yung pwede mong ituro. Pero kung gusto mo talagang magturo ng preschool or SPED, kailangan mo ng specialization units, usually diploma programs. Level up your learning, follow for more remote study tips.